Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 times ng France. Continue tayo guys sa ating history dahil simulan na natin ito. Tapusin natin ito guys ang kanyang history. Dahil napakaganda ang pinagmulan nitong ating 10 times ng France guys. Mayroong taon na 1995. Sa panahon ito ni Louis guys in Louis the 11 from 1475, the Great Volume famine of the mid-15th century resulted in yet another debasement during the reign of King Louis the 11. With the livre parisis reduced to 1 French ounce, 30.594 grams fine silver or 2.620 grams fine gold. The silver gross was minted at 69 to the French mark, 23 to 23.24 fine 3.4 grams fine silver and was valued of 1/9 the livre parisis or 2.29 the sols. The gold EU solil was minted at 72 to the mark of 23 and 1/8 carats fine, 3.2754 grams fine gold and was valued at 25 sols parisis. The close at the 15th century saw to the beginnings of the more centralized French currency system and the discontinuation of competing currency system within the France. The livre parisis of 1 French ounce approximately matched the silver content of 1/6 pound of sterling and 1/3 ounce of sterling silver. It would also become the model for Germany when it started issuing the 1 ounce silver golden gross chains divided into the 21 gross chains. Gross shillings or 252 Finnish